Hi, stop using stagnant images for your content. I am here for you. All right, just come to this website. Click on the link below the video. Come to this website. I'm going to show you now. Make any image come alive. Turn any image to video free of charge. You are not paying any dime. Unlimited. You can do like 20, 30, 50 videos per day. Is unlimited. Just do as you can, as your strength can carry. No matter any kind of video you are doing, you just turn your images. No matter any kind of video you are doing, is it photos, is it any kind of video that you want your image to be alive, watch this video till the end. Let me teach you what you're gonna do. Then you click on the link below this video and get started. First thing you're gonna do right now, subscribe to this channel. All right, put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first that YouTube is going to notify. Why are you subscribing to this channel? You are subscribing because you will be getting amazing videos like this one that will change your content creation. All right, then like this video, leave your comments on the comment section. Let me take you there. You are going to be turning your images or text into videos. And the best part of it is free. The most important part of it is unlimited. You can turn any number of videos you want in a day. So click on the link below this video. It will bring you to this website. Okay, here it will look like this once you come to this website. Are you seeing the first column here? Text to video. All right. So if you click here, this is where you are supposed to put your text. Okay. Let me just use this text here as an example and show you how it looks. Okay. This is text here. I want to turn this text into video right now. Then I agree to share my usage data anonymously. Okay, this one, just leave the feature like this. If you want them to enhance your prompt, you click on this. Your prompt will be enhanced. But if you don't want any enhancement, you want them to just give you as you gave them, just don't enhance it. So this one is the frame, that is the aspect ratio. So you're gonna choose once you click here, you choose on the aspect ratio, all right, that you want the frame. Okay, so this step 3 is frame ratio. Okay, you can adjust it or you can as well leave it like this. So this is advanced setting.